Imagine this. You go in for a DNA test, expecting the usual. Maybe some Irish, a bit of German, maybe Eastern European. But suddenly, the report says, unknown ancestry, origin not found. That's not science fiction. That's what scientists actually found in millions of Europeans. A genetic trace with no match to any known human group. Not Neanderthal, not Homo sapiens, something else. And the craziest part? If you're an American with European ancestry, you probably have it too. But where did this mysterious ghost DNA come from? And why is it still inside you? To find out, we need to go back 40,000 years, to a time when humans weren't the only ones walking this earth. Europe back then was wild. Not just wolves and mammoths, but humans, Neanderthals, and a third species we never knew existed. Archaeologists started noticing strange bones, strange tools, strange rituals, but no one could identify them. Then, in 2015, geneticists sequenced ancient bones from Europe and discovered a third DNA thread, so different it couldn't be traced to any fossil or species. They called it ghost DNA, not because it's dead, but because the people who had it are completely gone. Except they're not, because you're walking around with their DNA right now. Scientists were shocked. This ghost DNA wasn't rare. It was hiding in nearly 20% of modern Europeans. And guess what? It's even stronger in Americans with roots in Ireland, Scandinavia, or the Alpine regions. It's part of your immune system, your metabolism, your sensitivity to cold. In other words, this extinct group helped you survive. But if they were so advanced, what happened to them? Some believe they were wiped out by war. Others think they were absorbed by our ancestors in secret. 35,000 years ago, Europe turned into a battlefield. Not for land, not for gold, but for genetic dominance. Modern humans started spreading. Neanderthals began to vanish. And this ghost species? They were caught in the middle, stronger in cold climates, possibly smarter in survival, but fewer in number. Researchers now believe early Homo sapiens may have interbred with them, and then erased them. The ultimate irony? We wiped them out, but kept their code. But what exactly did they leave behind in our bodies and our minds? Turns out this ghost DNA isn't just a mystery, it's a toolkit. It enhances how your body fights disease, how you tolerate extreme weather, even how your brain reacts to fear or empathy. Some researchers even think these traits helped Europeans explore, adapt, and survive across harsh climates. But here's what's wild. This DNA could also influence mood swings, mental resilience, and imagination, traits deeply tied to creativity, art, and even depression. So maybe you inherited more than genes. Maybe you inherited memories. The final question haunts scientists to this day. If they left no written records, no monuments, and no myths, how is their code still this strong? Some now believe this lost group didn't just disappear. They merged into us. Their faces faded, but their DNA, it still guides how we think, feel, and survive. It's like we're haunted by ancestors we never knew existed, except they're not ghosts anymore. They're us. And just wait, because scientists now think they found even deeper DNA signals, ones that don't match anything on this planet. So if you thought this was mind-blowing, so like the video, subscribe our channel. If not, then you will got a bite by a dog.